on. One is metastasis, where, like
Hmm.
a woman has a breast cancer and they will likely metastasize to bone or brain. I mean, it's kind of like it has a homing device. It will go there. It likes that environment, you know. The other thing but I want to stress is the molecular signature is not about metastasis. Sometimes the things that are helpful to a tumor to grow, whether it's breast or lung, are the switching on or off of particular genes. That is a molecular signature that could help us potentially either use current therapies or make new therapies for. That's a base molecular signature. Metastasis is a whole nother animal.
So you said that we produce 8 cancer cells per day. How does this treatment differ in our body's eradication of those 8 cells? And why don't we just try to replicate what the body, so you have this antigen, is our body making an antibody that actually just kills these 8 cells? Exactly how is the body killing the 8 cells? And why aren't we trying to replicate that?
So it's good that you bring these things up. So that, one of the big arms or areas of research that is going on is immunotherapy, right? It's like harnessing the power of the immune system. And so you have, they call them CAR T cell therapy. There are immune checkpoint therapies. Huge. This is a amazing question. Obviously, in a fully functional person, our immune system is keeping things in where they're keeping cancer in balance. You're in check. They're keeping it in check. Whatever reason, we become out of balance, or you're exposed to some environmental cause, body doesn't maintain that balance anymore. So there are wonderful arms of research, some it's going on at City of Hope, very, very exciting, where they are exploiting now or trying to understand how to better harness the immune system. But the thing is, but I have to go back. Cancer constantly is figuring its way around things that we throw at it. Way back when I was training, everybody said, we're going to find the cancer gene. It turns out there's lots of cancer genes. I do not believe we will ever have a single therapy. What we will have is, and I believe AOH 1996 is going to serve as one of the agents in an arsenal. We already have an arsenal. But the object is, with using precision medicine, that we are able to turn cancer from a critical disease into now a managed disease. And we're moving towards that. I actually have a friend who had breast cancer and she never went into remission. She lived for 12 years with
Oh,
breast
that's
cancer.
kind of like prostate cancer.
Totally.
Most men die with prostate cancer because it's such a slow growing cancer that sometimes it's like, well, we keep an eye on it. There's no need to do anything invasive because you'll be dead before it kills you.
Yeah, but it's a very painful cancer for men. It really
Oh,
is.
I did
Yeah.
not know that.
I know, actually, in some, if it progresses for them, yeah.